Hey guys, so a few weeks ago I ordered some albums from Yesasia and they actually shipped 2 days ago and arrived today, which I did not really expect to happen because standard shipping told me it'd be like 2 weeks, but here they are, and I figured I'd go ahead and film an unboxing for my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. So firstly we have this Japanese toy. You actually get them if you order. You get them for free if you order 2 or more Japanese albums from yesasia. So I just picked a random thing and then you receive one of 12. I think these are probably all of the options. It looks like I got the little duck, I guess. I don't really know what I plan on doing with this, but it's really adorable. Okay, so now I'm going to get into my unboxing. So the reason why I ordered from yesasia is because they're like one of the only sellers that I know that sells Japanese albums. Like, I'm sure there's more, but I don't know. I've just ordered from them before and I liked them. And they're not super expensive. If you order like more than $79 worth of stuff, you get free shipping. So I kind of just went in. My main motivation for ordering for them is because I wanted this 17 album. So I'm going to go ahead and just unbox and order what I have in front of me. I'm going to start with this bol4 album. It's their Japanese album. Their Japanese single album. Love. I actually really loved this song. It has Love on it. And then also a Japanese version. Oh good, I love that we're not focusing. A Japanese version of Blue. So Japanese packaging is always really pretty simple. It's got a jewel case. I'm gonna assume that's maybe a photo book, I don't know. Then here's the CD. That's so cute. And I don't know if this is a lyric book or, okay, it's an actual photo book. Oh my god. They're so freaking cute. Look at her hair, look at Jiyoung's hair, and look at Jiyoon's hair, and their outfits, their dresses, ah! Oh my god. Oh my god, they're so cute. bol4 is like probably one of my ultimate girls groups, like definitely top 3. Well, I guess they're not really a group anymore since Jiyoung left, but like, you get the idea. Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh, I miss Jiyoung. Oh my god. Yeah, that was so cute. Okay, and then we're gonna go into 17's Fallen Flower. I got version A. It's the one that I thought woozy's photo card was the cutest for, so I know it'd be super duper lucky if I actually pulled him, but like, I'm hoping that if I don't, I can trade. I don't know, I'm kind of late in the game of trading for this album, but I can only hope. Alright, let's see. I got one. Oh my god, that's so cute. Look at him. His hair. My god, that's so cute. So this will be up for trade for woozy's equivalent, and we'll see how that goes. So the photo book. I loved the photo shoot for Fallen Flower, like this look with the berets. So cute. It's really awkward to hold and flip through. Oh my god, I love this outfit so much. Ugh, it's like one of my favorite pictures of him, honestly. And his hair. It's like really color coordinated with his outfit. So cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go through Dreamcatcher's Alone in the City. It was a random version, so I ended up getting the shade version, I believe is what this one is called. But I'm really excited to open this one because I collect Dami, so it'd be really great if I could pull any of her photo cards. Okay, so we have like a slipcover packaging here. That's interesting. Okay, and then like sort of gotta be careful opening this. Okay, so the photo book is just in there on the top. Then we have stickers. Cute. I don't really know what that is. A really long dog. Why does this look like Isabelle from Animal Crossing? Okay, then I'm gonna assume we have... Okay, no, this is the book. So what is this? This is where the CD is. Cute. This is such a good album. I love this song. Like, it's probably my favorite on the album. But they're all really good. Okay, so I'm gonna try to take out my pools if I can. Yep, a little bit of a spoiler, that's fine. So I went ahead and took out my pools. We're just gonna go through the photo book first. Oh my god. Handong's hair is so pretty in this one. Oh my god, Dami, her short hair. That's so cute. I say like she doesn't like usually have short hair. Oh my god, we're just starting out immediately. Wow. Oh my god, this is such a good picture. Oh wow. What the heck? I've never watched an unboxing of this one, obviously, so wow. That looks really, really good. I honestly wonder what the other concept looks like. I'm guessing it's not as dark since this is the shade version. I'll have to go look at it. Oh my goodness. Do you use blonde hair? Oh my god. She looks really good with this like grayish hair. Got him. Oh wow, outfit change. These are interesting for sure. This is like elementary school teacher. These are the opposite of elementary school teacher. I don't know what this is. This is like saucy businesswoman. Ooh. She still makes it like work though. Ugh, I love this hair on her. I love orange hair recently. Like, saw his hair for More and More twice. So good. The makeup that they did for this was really pretty. I liked like the under eye blush situation. I really like this blue mascara too. These are all really interesting like makeup situations. Nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go through my photo card pools. We got Gahyeon and Handong. Oh my god, this is such a cute card. I love her space buns. So cute. And then Yuhyun. So these will all be up for trade to Dami. These are really cute cards. Okay, and lastly, I'll be unboxing Twice as More and More. This is the C version. I really did not expect this album to be as thick as it is. I don't know why, like I actually watched unboxings for this, but it didn't seem as large on the videos. But yeah. So I don't actually collect for Twice, but Chang is my bias, and I've been thinking like once I actually get the money to like go back and buy a bunch of Twice albums, I want to collect her. It would just be like a whole task, like it would take a lot of my energy and money, and I don't have that right now. But I'll probably keep my pulls for this album just so like I can trade in the future, or obviously if they're Shang I'm gonna keep them. But yeah, I can feel my, okay, yeah, I forgot, you get this like foldy out thing. It has all the members on it. It's so cute. So we have Nan, Junghyun, Momo, Sona, Jihyo, Mina, Dahyun, Chang, and then Chewy. And then on the back, it's kind of like a puzzle situation, so like you can take it apart and then all the pictures, once you put them together, will form like sort of a poster situation, which is interesting. I'm not going to take mine apart just because, yeah, no. Okay, so I got Jihyo CD plate. I love her pink hair. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm gonna see if I can take all my pulls out first. Okay, so I took out my pulls, so we're just gonna go through the photo book. Oh my god, Nan's short hair, like, peak, absolute peak. She was wrecking me this comeback hardcore. But like also Junghyun's hair is so cute. Little nose. She's just so cute. She was like my original bias in Twice. So yeah, she still wrecks me. Momo, her blonde hair, like everyone looked so good this comeback. And this concept was so cute. I just like love naturey concepts. They're so light and pretty. So I definitely preferred this version over the A version. Oh my god. Her like, it's like blackish blue hair. They did the same thing for Dahyun. Like, it's a similar hair color. It's so cute though. Chewy's bangs too. Like, so cute. We got unit pictures. I really love how they just like zoomed in and cropped out other members on these ones. Hugging a tree as you do. My god, she looks so good. Dahyun. It's more like purpley in this picture, her hair. But it's really cute. All of these dresses are really cute too. Well, like most of them. I don't really know how I feel about this one, just like the white, like stark white cotton situation. So cute. Sona's hair really makes me want to do something like super dramatic with my hair. Like, I just love it so much. Oh my god. Why do they have to like put it on the fold like this? Like, I understand, like, but it's hard to see, but oh my god, this is such a pretty picture. Oh, she's so freaking cute. My favorite thing is like they didn't even a little bit try to match her hair to her extensions. Like, you're gonna give her dirty blonde hair and then give her stark like gray platinum extensions. Why? Why would you do her like that? Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oof. Geo. Such a pretty hair color. I say about literally everyone. Nina. Chang. Oh my god. This is so cute. Again with the dramatic like white cotton dress, but no, it works for her. So cute. My god, I just really love this concept so much. Alright, so now we're gonna get into my photo card pulls. I managed to not spoil any of them for me, so I'm gonna just Momo! Oh my god, so cute. Chewy, that's so cute. Ooh, unit card. Sana peeking out behind. Another unit card. And then, oh my god, Chaeyoung actually got her. That's actually really shocking to me that I pulled her. Oh my god. Chaeyoung, oh my god, this card is so cute. Oof. I may actually like go ahead and try to trade these now that I have them, and like more and more trading is like viable at this moment. Yeah, we'll see what I do. And then there's this like group holographic card situation thing. Yeah. Alright, so that was all for this unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon. Bye!